If you want to check the activation date on Xiaomi 17, then we have two things that we can check. The first thing is to go to Settings, scroll down over here to find the battery option, and then over here in the battery we should be able to proceed to the battery protection. And here we can find the first use information. So this is an estimate when the phone was activated for the first time. Unfortunately, usually there is no specific date, just the month and year. But of course, this can give you a rough estimate when the phone was activated for the first time. And in addition to that, another way to check the activation date is to, well, go back to settings first, to the main menu. And then over here, we should be able to proceed to Google. Now, once we open Google services, you want to tap on your Google account in here, and then proceed by once again choosing manage your Google account. And let me quickly connect to my Wi-Fi. Right, so over here we should proceed to security and sign in option. And you want to scroll down in order to find your devices section where you will find sessions on Android phones. You want to select that. And after that, you want to choose your Xiaomi 17. So let's get right into it. There we go. You may need to verify yourself with the biometric or with the screen lock password. You might also need to verify, so if needed, to go through additional verification steps. And there we go, we have the information about the first sign in. However, keep in mind that this information is only valid if you used your Google account for the first time once you got your phone. In case you use a different account, then of course you can change it here in the upper right corner. Or if you signed into your Google account on the second day, the third day, then of course this information might be slightly invalid. But this is how we can also check the first sign-in date. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.